Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I can update my n8n version to get version 2.0. Now, version 2.0 is a very interesting version. It's the very latest update for n8n. Why? First of all, they've strengthened everything on the security side, and most importantly, they've improved the management of workflows and sub-workflows. So as a result, execution is much faster, and most importantly, we have what's called traceability for modifications. When we make saves of our work, now we can simply save by version. This is something that's brand new, and it's very interesting for people who build workflows and need, for example, to go back to a previous version or to revert to a version that was working on a specific date. Next, the migration is very, very simple. So when we actually migrate our workflows, or even just to do the update from version 1 to version 2, we don't actually lose our data. All the workflows, all the credentials, and all the connections we've created will remain valid. Next, we have reliability. This is very, very interesting, especially for managing complex workflows. So they've really improved their system. And the user experience, the user interface has been slightly improved. And especially on the technical cleanup side, well, they've simply removed the obsolete modes that are useless, and most importantly, they've created a coherent configuration. They've checked everything to make sure the system is ready to really take on the new year 2026, and that the system is top-notch in terms of execution. So now, how can we switch to this version? For example, here I'll show you I'm on a version, as you can see here, this is version 1, and how I'm going to get to version 2, it's very simple. I'm going to show you the process. So first I use a Hostinger server. The reason for choosing a Hostinger server is simply that on Hostinger, I have the ability to work with an unlimited number of workflow executions. So that's something that here on the official version, you only get 5 workflows to execute simultaneously. But on the Hostinger version, it's, well, unlimited. And obviously in terms of pricing, so here regarding the prices on the Hostinger server, it's much, much cheaper. So here we're at just 749 euros per month. So this is the server that I use. It's a 2-processor server. There are those who are businesses, so they use the 4-processor server, which is much more powerful. The price is more attractive, and above all, you can always have an unlimited number of workflows. So when you install your server, you'll see that here I'm going to go back to my interface. Alright, so for example, I'll take this server here, which has an older version. So what I'll do is simply click on Manage, and then you'll find there's a little option here called Docker Manager. So when you click on Docker Manager, you'll see it will detect your server. And what's going to happen is quite simply, there are the 3 dots here. You're going to click here, and you'll simply find the word Update. So I'll click on that. What it's going to do is perform the entire update automatically, and it will go from version 1 to version 2 automatically in just a few seconds. So now I'll let it process the update. Of course, it all depends on the number of workflows you have. If you have a huge number of workflows, it might take a bit longer, but in any case, you just wait, don't touch anything until it finishes the installation. Alright, so the update has finished successfully. So all that's left to do, really, is to simply activate our server. So now I'll go back, or rather here. There we go. So here, look, we have version 1.102.4. So what I'm going to do is simply refresh this page. You'll see that as soon as I refresh the page, there we go, I have version 2.0.3. So this is the very latest version. And so my system here is now updated with all the new features included in n8n.